We are at Diane Court. Here's the garage. Temporary water heater setup. That's where they've done the abatement. That's where the old water heater was. And here's some more cutouts down there. That's it for the garage for now. They're just estimating to repair all of this right now. We're meeting the insurance adjuster as well today.